Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to design logos in 5 minutes. Now, if you want to design logo, even if you're not a professional in designing, this video will help you how to design your business logo, your company logo in just 5 minutes. All you need to do is to go to freelogodesign.org. This is a company here, freelogodesign.org. All you need there is just you put your company name here. Let's assume that my company name, for example, I am Big Point. This is my company name. Then we'll click get started. When we click get started, we load. Here it will show us. So here you can see different companies, different sector that you can choose. This one is if you are into agriculture, if you're into animal and pets, architecture, this automatic and vehicle, automobile, then business and consulting, anyone that your business is all about. So let's assume that we're into business, or let's say technology, anyone your business is all about, then you will choose that particular one that your business is all about. So for example, let me assume my business is all about business and consulting. I will click it. Once I click this business and consulting, then it will bring different logo. Okay, you can see this one here showing the Big Point, showing different logos that I can choose from. All you just need to just scroll down until you see the one you like. Then you can actually pick that one as your logo, and we'll start designing that one. I like this one, the particular one here. I actually love this. So you can see that different viewpoint is this. Even this one too is very simple and good. I love it. I love this one too. So let me just pick one and we'll I love this one. This is nice. So let me use this one as an example. I will not choose this. Once I choose this as an example, it will bring us to this place where we can edit, because this the color, we might not like this color, so we can actually change the color. So if I just click on on this particular name, Big Point, we can choose to expand it, we can choose to reduce it. Okay, then next thing is for us to change the color. If you click this particular page, you can see the road color here. You click on color. So any color that I want, I can start to use it, change it to blue. You can see this is blue. So then this particular one also, we can change the color of this one. We can even also increase it. We can also reduce it. So and here you can see the group here, different one. They have black, white, and red. So if I click the first one, you can change the color of the first one. Let's say to green. Okay, this one you can actually change everything to green, but we'll use blue. We are still going to change other colors. So then I'll click this particular one. I cannot change this one to red. Okay, just to match our what. So I can change this particular one to red. And then the next one, I think I love it this way. I can bring it down. We can increase it. We can also increase this particular one a little bit. We are ready. Let's bring it a little bit to the center. Okay, I think I love this. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's also do the same thing with this one. I think this is good. So now, after designing your logo this way, all you need to do now is you click on download. When we click on download, your logo has been saved. It will take us to a page where we can download. Though they have a free version, they have paid version. This one is $39. This one is $40. This one is $17. But you don't need to pay, like I said before, that it is free. So just that with the paid version, there are more things you can do with your logo. Like you can see it's 5,000 by 5,000, but this one is 200 by 200. So we're also going to go to this free, so just logo that we want to create, and we'll click on what? We'll click on download. When you click on download, it will ask you your name. Let me just put any name there and say John, and then your email address. Let me just choose this as my email address and click download. Now you will receive an email shortly, and also you will see the logo will be downloaded on your desktop. So if we check our email, we'll discover that we have actually designed the logo. We designed has been sent to our email where we can open it, and also it has been downloaded on our desktop. So our logo has been downloaded. This is now our logo. All you need to do is go ahead and use it in whatever that you want to use the logo for. Very simple. So if you go to, like I said, freelogodesign.org is where you can design logo for free in 5 minutes. It will not take you time. You don't need to be a professional for you to design logo there in 5 minutes. So it's very easy, very simple. Once again, welcome to my channel, and please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button, because what we do here is we talk about how to make money online, BTC, we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about so many things and how to make money online. Thank you for watching.